Dear students, today we are going to learn about how to create a database in MySQL using PHP. There are simple 5 steps. You can follow that and you can successfully create a database using PHP. So let's see that. Step 1, you need to install XAMPP server in your computer. First go to the registered website which I have mentioned here, and then uh, try to download the XAMPP folder and then try to install. Let me quickly show how to do that. Okay, so in this you can able to see in your Google type XAMPP. It will go to the registered website. Click on that and go for the Windows version and click download. After downloading, you can click and install it. After successfully installing it, you will get a XAMPP icon in your computer. Okay, so then next step is to open it and check whether we have successfully installed it or not. So when you open, you can able to see like this kind of image which is opened, and it says that it will show you the XAMPP control version, latest version which you have downloaded, and you can able to start and stop the server. Let us see how to do that. So in your search button, type XAMPP. You will be having your XAMPP control panel. So in XAMPP control panel, you can able to click on that. So when you click on that, when you click on XAMPP panel, you can able to open it. And when you open it, click on start button and then MySQL also. After if you click on admin, it will take you to PHP myadmin. So can you able to see PHP myadmin is opened in my screen. Then we move on to the next step. So in the next step, open your PHP file. How to open it? You can use your notepad, either notepad or your VS Code. So in that you are going to write your code. So the code I will explain it now, and then we will move on to how to save and run your file. So the code goes like this. First you need to have 3 different values, that is your server name, your username and your password. Your server name is localhost because you have installed XAMPP server in your computer, so that is called localhost. Then your username is root because we are going to work in the root username, and password is blank. So this is what is the values, and we are going to create a MySQLi object that is saved in $connection CONN. So this is the object which we are trying to create for the connection. So when we execute this line, this create connection line, it will successfully create a connection. That we are checking whether we have any error or not. That is if connection connect error. If I get any connect error, if you have not started your XAMPP, it will give you a connection error. So if you have any connection error, then the program will be stopped using your die method. So die method will show what error it is, and then it will not allow you to proceed further. Then we are going to see how to create a database. For that we have to give a query. What query is? Create database name. What is your database name here? MyDB. Remember this name later we will check using this name. So then this is a $SQL is a variable. So we are going to execute the variable using connection. If connection pointing query of SQL query. So this will be executed. SQL query will be executed. If it is successfully executed, then the database will be created successfully. If it is not able to execute, then there will be some error. So I will not able to create the database. So this is a simple program to create your database using your PHP in MySQL. And then always use connection pointing close. That means we are closing the connection, because it is a good habit to close the connection immediately after the use. So that's why we used connection close. So that means hereafter if I use any query, trying to execute any query, it will not run successfully because we have closed the connection. So let us see how to save the program and how to run the program. So this is the program. So this I am going to copy it and paste it in you can paste it in Notepad also or VS Code. So the fourth step is save the file in htdocs. Where htdocs will be is, it will be in XAMPP. Okay, I will show you. First I have opened the VS Code. In your VS Code, I have pasted. If you don't have VS Code, don't worry. You can open your Notepad and you can paste the code in the Notepad or type the code in the Notepad. After typing it, then go to File and then save it. So let us see how to do that. Okay, because we have to do it in the htdocs. We have to save it in the htdocs. So go to File. I have already saved, so I am doing Save As. You click Save and then go to C. In C, XAMPP will be installed. Inside XAMPP, double click on XAMPP. Inside XAMPP, there will be htdocs, and inside htdocs, there will be, I created a folder called first PHP, and in that database connection is my program name. So save that. It will be saved successfully if there is no other name like that, and then you have to save it in the .php extension. Otherwise the program will not be recognized. And the code has to be like this. That means it has to start with that less than symbol and then question mark and then PHP. There should not be any space between question mark and PHP. So you create a program like this and save it, and then we will save the program in htdocs. After saving the program in htdocs, we will run it. Okay, so now run the program in the browser. How we are going to run is, open the browser and we are going to type localhost. Let us see how to do that. Okay, so open the browser. In your browser, type localhost first PHP. In first PHP, I have saved few files. That is, one is database connection. So as soon as I click it, you can able to see database created successfully. After creating the database, I told you to remember a name, that is MyDB. Open your PHP admin. In that, if you see the left side, you can able to see MyDB in the database list. So here the left this column has all the database which are created in the file in MySQL. So I can able to see, and this is MyDB which I have just now created using the program. So now we have successfully created MyDB using PHP program. Then after this we have checked also. So fine, everything is run successfully. So that's all. Now you can able to easily create a database using these 5 steps. So thank you.